Okay, sana naman walang looting. As of now, there's no report of looting. What's so important now is we are organizing ourselves, lalong-lalo ng Philippine National Police together with the other national government agencies in coordination with the local government unit. That is to um, employ yung responses to reduce yung risk. At the same time, lalong-lalo na yung ating rescue and relief operation. The whole of PRO7, yung mga police natin doon, of course, nag-organize na sila ng sarili nila to mag-rescue operation doon at the northern part of Cebu. Okay? And to include other police units like for example, the Negros Island Regional Police Office, PRO8, yung PRO6, yung ating maritime kasi there are roads na and bridges na unpassable, especially those Bantayan, yung Bantayan Islands, included po yun. At the same time, yung papuntang Daang Bantayan ay sarado. That's why we move our water assets papunta dun sa area na yun.